Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel from loyal companions to energetic playmates. Find out which breeds are stealing hearts around the world. Whether you are looking for a new furry friend or just love dogs, discover everything you need to know about the dog breed Boxer. This video will show you what makes these breeds so special. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your one subscribe click is essential for me. Without wasting time, get straight to the point. Today's video topic is Boxer. Here's a detailed breakdown of the information you are looking for regarding Boxer. Breed name Boxer. Colors: fawn, brindle, white. Preferred food: high protein kibble, meat. Good habits: energetic, loyal, protective. Bad habits: can be hyperactive, prone to health issues. Here's a comprehensive overview of the Boxer dog breed. Time when the dog needs maximum attention. Puppyhood and early training: 8 weeks to 6 months. Boxers are highly energetic and curious as puppies, making early socialization and training essential. They require a lot of attention to set the foundation for proper behavior. Adolescents: 6 months to 2 years. During this stage, Boxers can become particularly stubborn and test boundaries. So they need consistent attention and guidance to reinforce training. Ability to learn: high intelligence with stubbornness. Boxers are intelligent and can learn commands quickly. However, they have a strong, independent streak that can make training challenging if not handled with consistency and patience. Positive reinforcement works well with them, but they might resist if they sense a lack of engagement or fun. Excellent with obedience and agility training. They excel in agility, obedience, and protection sports, but they need a handler who can keep training sessions engaging. Lifespan: average lifespan 10 to 12 years. However, with excellent care, some Boxers live up to 14 years. This breed may be prone to certain genetic conditions, like heart issues and cancers, so regular vet checkups are essential. Weather conditions: sensitivity to extreme weather. Boxers have a short coat and are sensitive to extreme temperatures. They don't tolerate cold weather well and may need a jacket in winter. In hot climates, they can be prone to overheating, so it's important to provide plenty of water and shade. Price of a puppy. Price range: Boxer puppies generally range from $800 to $2,500 depending on the breeder, location, and pedigree. Purebred or champion line puppies may cost more. Types of Boxer. American Boxer typically leaner with a smaller head and less pronounced muzzle. German Boxer larger with a stockier build and a more pronounced jaw, often used in breeding programs. UK Boxer similar to the German Boxer, with subtle differences in size and structure. Interesting unknown facts. Natural guardian instinct: Boxers are excellent family dogs and are known for their protective nature. They're highly alert to potential threats, making them effective guard dogs. Boxing behavior: Boxers often use their front paws in a playful, boxing manner when interacting with people or other dogs, which is how they earn their name. Strong bond with family: Boxers are known for forming very close bonds with their families and can suffer from separation anxiety if left alone for long periods. These characteristics make Boxers a lively, loyal, and affectionate breed. Perfect for active families or individuals who can match their energy and give them the attention they need. Here's a brief overview of the trending dog topics people are currently most interested in. Preventive health. Preventive health is crucial for dogs to maintain long-term well-being. It includes regular vet checkups, vaccinations, parasite control for fleas, ticks, and worms, and dental care. Preventive measures help detect issues early and prevent diseases like heartworm or parvovirus. Proper diet and exercise also play a role in keeping dogs healthy by managing weight and reducing the risk of joint and cardiovascular problems. Dog enrichment activities. Dog enrichment focuses on providing mental and physical stimulation to keep dogs engaged and prevent boredom. Activities like puzzle toys, scent games, and agility courses challenge their brains and help reduce anxiety and destructive behavior. Interactive play such as fetch, hide and seek, or obedience challenges also promotes bonding between dogs and it. Training and behavior. Training dogs through positive reinforcement encourages good behavior without using punishment. Techniques like rewarding desirable actions with treats or praise strengthen the bond between dogs and owners. Common issues like separation anxiety, barking, and leash pulling can be mitigated through consistent training and patience. Dog diet and nutrition. Balanced nutrition is essential for a dog's health. Owners are increasingly interested in raw diets, homemade meals, and understanding the right balance of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Additionally, supplements like omega-3s or glucosamine are popular for promoting joint health and a shiny coat. Adoption and breed-specific care. Adopting rescue dogs is on the rise as many people choose to adopt rather than shop. Understanding breed-specific care is crucial as different breeds have unique needs in terms of exercise, health, and temperament. Educating adopters on breed requirements helps ensure a good fit for their lifestyle. If you enjoy my content, please confirm preferring and participate further with family and friends for this video. Thank you for your attention. This video till the end. I appreciate your prompt response.